Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Esme.
Welcome to the SABRE Personal Safety Academy. This is our safety place and place of empowerment to help you make it safe. We know at SABRE that personal safety is personal. There are a lot of different options when it comes to home security, and we want to help you with your safety plan and know how to best use these products to maximize your safety when at home.
So unfortunately, there's a burglary every 22 seconds in the United States. That's over 1.4 million, according to the FBI's crime clock. At SABRE, our goal is to make you feel safer in your home and better protect your home. So in this video, we'll go through a few home security options to consider.
So, various options here to help keep you and your family safe in case of an intruder. You have a DIY home security kit, which involves the ability to protect various door, entryways, and even a motion sensor controlled by one remote controlled device. Or you can opt for simple standalone alarms where you have one alarm covering a specific entryway or a motion sensor inside your home. Either way you go, they're very easy to set up. They can set up in as few as seconds to just a few minutes. There's no, obviously, installation fees involved in this, and there are no monthly monitoring fees. So extremely easy and very cost effective.
So like David mentioned, personal safety is personal, and we recognize that at SABRE. So consider what's right for your home. What you need for an apartment in the city might not be the same thing you'd need for a home in the suburbs. So the first step is to deter from the outside. Things like security decals and fake security cameras can help prevent intruders from even wanting to approach your home and potentially invade it.
Intruders are always looking for a soft target. So making your home a hard target goes a long way to keeping yourself and your family safe. As we talked about, protecting yourself with products outside your home. So fake security cameras, they look extremely realistic. It's basically impossible to know whether or not it's a fake camera or a realistic one at a quick glance. You have the dome-shaped one, more professional style that you'll see in a bank or perhaps in a casino. And then you have the more bullet type looking product that you'll see most common with various home security type products. They can be weatherproof. Some of them even have a red LED light to give that appearance that they are detecting movement and that they are real security cameras to keep your home safe.
So some of these options may work best if you have a home with a yard or front-facing windows to deter a potential intruder from the outside. But if you live in a high-rise or an apartment building in the city, you can also secure your home from the inside.
So in addition to the motion sensors, the alarms, and the fake security cameras, it's good also to have a way to prevent an intruder from coming in. And there are various products you can have that stop inward opening doors from being activated. So a door stop alarm that acts as a door wedge slides underneath the door on various force type surfaces, or a larger door security bar that slides underneath the actual knob of the door, prevents the door from opening. That product actually has an alarm that can be attached to it as well, and you can take off the top and put it in a glass sliding door, and all those things prevent access through main opening doors of your home.
So another step you can take if you're looking for the next level of security is to additionally protect your home from the inside. You can start with a single unit, like a door alarm, and then build off of that and invest in a more wireless home security option that has multiple units and sensors to alert you in case your home is entered.
So the Bureau of Justice Statistics says more than half of all home break-ins occur through unlocked doors. So let's start by keeping those doors locked. But in addition to that, you can have alarms in case you have an unwanted guest. So there's various type of door alarms that are available. They're very simple to use. They're easy to set up. You can even have one that has a keypad that allows for exit and entry delays upon coming and going. They have chime modes as well, but these are the main entryways for intruders. Having a door alarm at those points makes a lot of sense. If they were to access perhaps a unsecure entryway and make access to your home, a motion censoring alarm makes a lot of sense to put perhaps in the most vulnerable areas before they can get to where the bedrooms are. It'll sense their motion, the alarm will sound, wake you while you're sleeping, scare off the intruder.
And another option to help secure your bedrooms, even hotel rooms, or a dorm if you're on campus, is a doorstop alarm. So this, like David mentioned, wedges under the door and will sound to alert you if someone attempts to access or enter your room.
And for those of you who opt not to stay in a hotel when you travel, you end up sleeping in someone's home who's a stranger who you don't even know. It's nice to have a way, because they have access to that house, to know if they're trying to come in the middle of the night. So a simple door handle alarm. It does work, obviously, on hotel doors, but also can help protect you when staying in a stranger's home. So as you can see, SABRE provides various options for home security. Millions trust SABRE products annually. Be safe, go confidently, trust your instincts. They're usually right. Thank you.